In this episode of Man vs. Fish, some friends, Kai, Jason, and my brother B, we decided to head up to Cherokee, North Carolina and fish a tournament up there. It was this past weekend here, August. So we head on out from Atlanta, Georgia, and went up to the beautiful mountains of Cherokee, North Carolina to fish a tournament. The entry fee was, I believe, $15 plus the 3-day, $10 for Friday, and then $15 I think for Saturday and Sunday as well. They were tagging fish and releasing fish, and so if we caught any fish that were tagged, there was prize money from I think $10, $20, $50, $100 to $1,000 fish. And so stay tuned, watch this episode, and see what type of fish we did catch. And this we did catch a albino fish and albino trout in this episode here. So we'll see you inside of this episode. Take care. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching that episode of Man vs. Fish. In this episode, we are heading up to North Carolina to do some fishing. The water and the scenery up in North Carolina, Cherokee, North Carolina is beautiful. And at the end of this video, we're going to show you the fish that we caught and what type of fish. And then ultimately, I want to share with you how we prepare the fish and what we did with the fish in terms of preparing for dinner. So this is the four of us getting ready, all suited up, getting ready to go.
Let's go.
We're getting all geared up. Let's get into our outfits. Our tubes are ready. Getting ready to head on out, packing everything up. This is where we park. This is right down the street from the river. It's probably about 100 yards. Right beyond these buildings here is the river. So we parked here. We left one car downriver, and we brought the minivan upriver so that we can float back down to the car. And this is early in the morning. So this is about 8:15 in the morning before the stores are open, getting everything ready. We're excited about this fishing trip here, and right across the street here, that's where the river is at. And we're finishing up. Now we're in the water here. This is Jason, myself, trying to get ready, going to start fishing here. A little side view of us getting ready to start doing some serious fishing. The sun's coming out. This is me getting ready. And I'm getting all my gears. Now, all my gears here, you can see all my gears. Maybe I'll put a list down there. This is B, fishing, getting his tube in there. Kai's first fish. Not sure what kind of fish this is. It's almost like a sucker fish, but it's not. Caught it on the worm. Small little fish, but it was fun. And then this is Kai's first fish. It's a decent sized fish here. I think it's about a 8-9 inch trout. As Kai with this picture, first trout fish here, and then us, casting, trying. Jason caught a big trout here. I think this is probably closer to almost a 11, 12 inch trout here. So he's excited, trying to get his trout off the hook here.
Hey, hold it up, man.
And it's kind of funny. He just broke his rod.
Damn, that's
threw it.
huge.
It didn't go far. It landed right in front of him, and then he caught this trout here. So fortunate for him, breaking the rod helped him catch that big trout there. This is me landing this is actually Jason landing his second trout here. So
pretty good size.
Excited. He had a good time landing his trout here. His rod broke, so I gave him my rod here with the yellow floater here, and so he caught this trout here on my rod there. And then this is me getting ready to go and do some casting and catching. So my first trout here, decent sized trout, more like a 8.5, 9 inch trout here. Rainbow, most of the rainbow is what we really caught. Our main goal was to go after rainbows on this trip here. All my gears, the trout I'm bringing in, landing the net. This is a decent size here. This is probably one of the bigger ones that we caught, more like a 10, 11 inch trout here. Again, all rainbows. It was just a fun time. This is a smaller trout. There's more like a 8 inch trout here. There's another one that we brought in here. This is about a 10 inch trout. I'm looking for the tag. So much fun bringing in trout. And it's beautiful on the water. It just water just crystal clear. We took a little time to build some rocks, stack some up for a little peace and relaxation. And so it was fun being on the water. Now this is the big trout. This is probably about a 15, 18 inch trout. We could see it, but that's the one that got away. We didn't even catch it. This is Jason celebrating all the trout. These are the trout that we were able to bring in, and so fun having trout, catching these trout here. These are the middle trout here is the albino trout that B caught. Cooked it, I air fried it for this one here using some Ghanaian shitor sauce. Very, very tasty, loved it with the rice. Then this here, we pan fried it with some flour and some spice on there. So please subscribe to the channel. Love for you to watch it, Man vs. Fish. Now, just so you guys know, we did not catch any tag fish in this tournament here. We went to this tournament here to catch tag fish, and unfortunately, we met a few people that did catch some tag fish. One guy, he followed the truck that dropped the fish off in the late evening, about 8:45, and next day he went and caught 10, same spot where the fish was dropped off. He caught 10 tag fish. We saw another guy, he caught 3, but the 4 of us, we caught plenty of trout, but we did not catch any tag fish. No $1,000 trout fish for us on this tournament here. And for some of you, hey, if you have a chance, let us know if you were able to catch some tag fish up in Cherokee during the tournament here. Appreciate you guys watching this episode of Man vs. Fish. Until another episode, we'll see you another one. Take care.